Alright guys, so we made it here to the apartment. No coffee today guys, we're leaving too early. Guess that means we're gonna have to go to the gas station or something. Get some coffee. We got a short drive today. Probably like 3 hours or so until we get to Oklahoma City. So it shouldn't be too long. Chevron guys. Chevron? Nope. 24/7 gas station here. And the price per gallon? $2.62. Window washer. Get this guy clean. Made it to Oklahoma City finally guys, and we're cruising in right here to the Goodwill store. Why are we going to Goodwill? This is actually our first stop in Oklahoma City, and we're cruising in here because we need to get some clothes. Probably we need some Sunday clothes. I don't need Sunday clothes, I got a suit, but Jules and the kids need to get some clothes. Ooh, this one's much bigger and well air conditioned. It's a cool white skirt. It's way big though. So what do they got in here? Furniture, golf clubs. These things, I don't know what these are. They lock. What are they? That is weird. What do they do? Huh. It's got this thing on it. I have no idea what this thing is. What else we got? Well, we've got kitchen stuff, electronics, books way over there. Alright guys, so we made it here to the apartment that we're going to be staying at while we're in Oklahoma City. Check it out, this is the kitchen. Right, so we got the kitchen here. Jules is playing with the garbage over there somewhere. Where is she? Oh, there she is.
Hi.
So in this apartment, we've got a washer and dryer here. We've got ovens, stoves, coffee pot, sink, yeah, refrigerator, freezer, that kind of stuff right there. Dining room table, and then we'll cruise through this door right here. And what do we got here? We've got the living room area, editing and working on some stuff for you guys. Then we cruise over here, TV up here, and what is this? Bedroom, bathroom, shower. Right through this door right here. What is it? Bing! It's a basketball court. That's weird. Why is there a basketball court through this door? Because this is actually an apartment that the North MacArthur Church of Christ has for people that are visiting. Sometimes people come from out of town because they need medical stuff done here in the city, and they don't have a place to stay. They don't have family in the city like where the big hospitals are, and so they can come and they can stay here. Maybe their kids in the hospital, something like that. Or if they're missionaries like us visiting North MacArthur here, we can stay in here and then visit with the congregation here and all of the people and all of that. So thank you so much to the North MacArthur Church of Christ and the elders here for letting us stay here and visit with everybody. It has been awesome. Let's go ahead and cruise around the building and check it out, see who we can find out there. All right, so this is the gym I showed you guys earlier, and it is dark.
Yes, very dark.
So maybe you're wondering why a church building would be so dark. Well, it's Friday morning. I'm like dark, man. It's Friday morning here, guys, and so there's really nobody in the building except for up in the main office. And that'll give us a chance here just to kind of walk around and show you that it's a really big place, man. Look, you've got this entrance here from this side. You had an entrance over there from that side. You've got an auditorium right here. And then we cruise down this way. There's classrooms here. There's a whole upstairs up here full of classrooms. This right here goes back to the gym down that way. Then we turn and go down this hall. And then this hall will take us to the main large auditorium. And so coming down this hall, they've got a lot of different boards that the kids have made, like in kids Bible class or different projects that they have, and they make all these cool boards. Whoa, what's that? Construction project. That's new. That's like brand new today.
Hey, look.
Hey, look.
On their board.
Oh, look at that.
That's like 5 years ago.
Yep, that's an old picture, guys.
It's so cute. Here's a more modern picture, but it's still like 3 years ago.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Cute.
Yep, Indonesia right here. Right here is where we lived, right here in Yogyakarta, right there.
Look, right here is Landung and Sinar and Ajeng. There's Marty and Sarah and Seth. I must be taking the picture.
Here's a picture of me preaching. Here's some of our friends. All right, cruising into the kind of the main part of the building. They've got these big LCD screens here to give information so that when people come to come in, they know where to go, like where the classrooms are and stuff like that. And so down here is one of the entrances to the main hall, and then over here is another entrance to the main hall, and then right behind me here is the main auditorium. It's really dark in there though. Oh yeah, you can see it though. Look at that. So this is the main auditorium, guys, and the seating goes from all the way over there all the way to over there. So we were wanting to come in here and see if any of our friends were in here because oh, it's open. Sweet. This is the main office. We gotta be quiet. People are working in here. Somebody's in here. Hello.
Oh, hey.
How's it going?
I didn't hear you come in.
Hi.
We were sneaking. See if Tim's in here. Hey, how's it going?
2 hours later.
Tim's got his own YouTube channel. You want to go ahead and check that out. There's a card right here. Go ahead and click that and you can check out Tim's channel as well. It's pretty cool. You're probably wondering where Sarah and Seth are. They are actually at camp right now. That is one of the main reasons we scheduled our time to be here in Oklahoma City right now. That's because they've got a great camp here for the kids. And so Jules and I, we've just been hanging out for like almost a week now. Just us hanging out, doing some work and having fun together. And so we'll be here for a couple of more days, and then guys, we are going to head to Tennessee. That should be cool. All right, we hope you guys have a really great day and keep smiling.